Welcome. In this video, I will go over being a student in a course on JustInfer.com. To use any course feature, you must make an account for this site. This is needed to ensure that you'll get credit for your work. Once you have an account, either your instructor can enroll you in their course, or you can enroll in their course by clicking Course Options, and then Register for Course, and then typing in the course ID and the registration password, if there is one, in these relevant fields. You'll need to get this information from your instructor. Once you're enrolled in a course, you can click into your course via the Select Course page. As a student, your course page predominantly serves as a place to access assignments made for you by your instructor. When you're doing course problems, this site ensures that the settings you're using match the settings your instructor wants you to use, and that when you complete the problem, your instructor receives a record of your work. When you complete a problem in a course, you'll get a check mark next to the problem. As long as you see a check mark, your instructor has a record of you completing that problem, and there's nothing else you need to do. If all the problems in an assignment that you're supposed to do have check marks, then you're done with that assignment. That's all for this video. If you still have questions, please watch my other videos for more information.